Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, let's start our session today. Yesterday we ended up with the summary. The summary was not complete, right? And we will continue with the summary today also. See, the last point which we wrote yesterday. Let's revise that point. We will write further. We will continue it, but let's revise the last point. What was the last point yesterday? What we wrote? Yes? She met a young lord on the King's Highway. Where did she meet the young lord? On the King's Highway. Who seemed very sad. Seemed दिखाई दे रहा था, जो बहुत दुखी दिखाई दे रहा था. And she gave him a bouquet of flowers. जो bouquet of flowers उसके पास था वो उसने उसे दे दिया. Then बदले में young lord ने क्या दिया? What did he return? Yes, the young lord gave her a gold chain. Right? What did the young lord give her? A gold chain. This was the end we wrote yesterday, and today we are going to continue further. Okay, this was the last line we wrote yesterday. Now after the golden chain, what happened? The old woman moved further. आगे चली. Right? So you are going to write the old woman moved further and she met a poor mother. Poor mother. Right? And she met a poor mother. Now what happened? Poor mother, her children were very hungry. So the old woman gave her golden chain. Why did she give her golden chain? Because she was very kind. वो kind थी, दयालु थी. उसने सोचा थी, thought, when my neighbor is hungry, how can I eat apple dumpling? जब मेरा पड़ोसी भूखा है, तो मैं apple dumpling कैसे खा सकती हूँ? Okay, so she gave the golden chain to the poor mother. Right? So what is the next point? She gave the gold chain to the poor mother. Right? And in return she got a puppy. And in return she got a puppy. Everybody has started writing? Yes? All of you are writing along with me? Okay. So what is the next point? She gave the gold chain to the poor mother, and in return she got a puppy. What did she get in return? She got a puppy, right? Then she took the puppy and moved on. Now what happened? She took the puppy and she moved on further. फिर आगे बढ़ी. Right? Then what happened? She found an apple tree What did she find? She found an apple tree in the old man's cottage, and she agreed to exchange the puppy with the apples, right? She got the apples in return for her puppy, right? She got the apples in return for her puppy. And the last point, she cooked the apple dumpling and enjoyed eating it, right? So this is the end of your summary, right? So this is the end of your summary. And why you should know the summary? Because if you know the summary, you know the whole chapter. You remember the whole chapter. It is like a story, and if you learn these points, you can narrate it to your friends. आप अपने friends को सुना सकते हो, आप अपनी बुआ को सुना सकते हो, आप अपने मम्मी पापा को सुना सकते हो. देखो मम्मी पापा, मैंने इतना अच्छा चैप्टर पढ़ा है, सुनो मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाता हूँ, right? If you compose all the points, it becomes a story. That is why we have to learn the summary, because if you learn the summary, it becomes very easy for us to remember the chapter. So you are going to read the summary, record it and send it to me. For the best summary, I will give you prize, okay? Right? So let's see now. What are the points written on the board? From today we started from here, right? The young lord gave her a gold chain. What did the young lord give her? The gold chain. Where did she meet the young lord? She met the young lord on the king's highway. Then the old woman moved further and she met a poor mother. Whom did she meet? A poor mother. By that time she was thinking the whole world is give and take. What to do? Starting from a bag of feathers, plums for a bag of feathers, a bag of feathers for a bouquet of flowers, a bouquet of flowers for a gold chain for a puppy for apples, right? So she had to grow through all this process to make apple dumpling. But in the middle, बीच में कहीं पर भी उसने अपनी hope खत्म नहीं होने दी. She still had that hope that yes, she will get the apples somewhere, sometime, right? So she gave the gold chain to the poor mother, and in return she got a puppy. What did she get in return? She got a puppy in return. She took the puppy and moved on. She took the puppy and further she moved to look for the apples. She found an apple tree in an old man's cottage. Where did she find that apple tree? In the old man's cottage. She got the apples in return for a puppy. She had to give away the puppy and then only she got the apples. She cooked the apple dumpling and enjoyed eating, right? She cooked it and she enjoyed and finished it to the last bite. Hope the summary is very clear and you all have written down the summary, right? After the summary, summary, you can write down a very short summary type. Okay, now see, number 1, a basket of plums, right? First point was basket of plums. Then she exchanged it. She exchanged it with a bag of feather, right? Then again the bag of feather with a bouquet of flowers. Now a bouquet of flower with a gold chain. Now a gold chain with a puppy. Then a puppy with apples, right? So this is the sequence in which she got her apples to make her apple dumpling. A basket of plums with a bag of feathers, a bag of feathers with a bouquet of flowers with a gold chain with a puppy with apples, right? So this is how you are going to remember the points. Now members, see, this is the things which these are the things which she exchanged. Now members, people, who all people did she meet? Number 1, young lady. First she met a young lady. Secondly, she met a young woman, right? And then she met a young lord, right? After the young lord, whom did she meet? She met a poor mother. And then in the end she met the old man, right? So this is how you are going to remember the story. Now see, a basket of plums, the old lady was having the basket of plums. She took the basket of plums and she moved on. She exchanged it with the young lady and she got a bag of feathers. After taking the bag of feathers, she further moved. She met a young woman and then she exchanged it with a bouquet of flowers. She met a young lord. Young lord gave her a gold chain. After the gold chain, she met the poor mother. Poor mother gave her a puppy. After the puppy, she met an old man. She gave the puppy and she got the apples for her apple dumpling. So this whole chapter is very, very clear. You are going to note down these things also so that you are able to remember the sequence, right? And hope you can answer any question now. The story is very, very clear, right? Hope you have all written down what is written on the board in a very good writing, blue line to blue line. You all are going to write blue line to blue line, complete one alphabet, then start the next alphabet, and your work should be neat and clean, correct? Now we move on to the next question, that is reference to context. Now what do you mean by reference to context? Reference of context means किसने किससे कहा, ये बात कब हुई और किसने बोली, correct? So now we are going to write the reference to context after completing our summary. Children, be ready. Next topic is reference. R-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Reference to context. C-O-N-T-E-X-T. Now here a single line will be given, and after reading the line some questions are given and you have to answer the questions, right? So the first reference to context. The first reference to context is kind woman, he said. See, the reference to context is given on in your textbook after the question and answers, right? He said, I would like to give you something to, मैं भी आपको कुछ देना चाहता हूँ. Now from which chapter are these lines taken? The first question, ये कौन से chapter में से lines ली गई है, right? So question 1, from which chapter is this line taken? अब ये लाइन जो है कौन से चैप्टर से ली गई है? From which chapter is this line taken? So what is the answer? Yes, this line is taken from the chapter The Apple. Now see, it is the name of a chapter, so all the letters will come capital, right? The apple dumpling. The apple dumpling. Now this will come in inverted commas because it is the name of a chapter, right? So from which chapter is this line taken? So this line is taken from the chapter The Apple Dumpling. Now who is the writer of this chapter or the story? Who is the writer of this story? Now who is the writer of this story? Yes. Do you remember the name? Very good. I am getting the answer. Maud, M-A-U-D, Maud. Lindsay, L-I-N-D, Lynn, S-A-Y, say. Right? Maud Lindsay is the writer of the story. Who is writing the story? Maud Lindsay is the writer of the story. Right? Now we move on to question number 3. That is, who spoke these words? Now who is the speaker of these words? Who spoke these words? Kind woman, he said, I would like to give you something too. Now remember, he is giving you the hint that the person is a male person. Yes, young lord. Correct. So the answer is young lord spoke these words. Who spoke these words? Young lord young lord spoke these words. So are you all writing? I'm waiting for you to complete your work. Keep writing. So today we are writing the reference to context. Now what do you mean by reference to context? Reference to context means किसने किससे कहा. In Hindi we say किसने किससे कहा, right? So what is the first question? First line. Actually you have to read the line and then you have to give the answer to the questions given. Kind woman, he said, I would like to give you something. Now what he is telling? Kind woman, I would like to give you something. मैं आपको कुछ देना चाहता हूँ. From which chapter is this line taken? Now from which chapter is this line taken? So this line is taken from the chapter The Apple Dumpling. Who is the writer of the story? Who is the writer of the story? You remember? Yes, Maud Lindsay is the writer of the story, right? Who spoke these words? Who is the speaker of these words? Young Lord. Correct. Young Lord spoke these words. Moving on to the question. Next question. Where did this conversation take place? Where are they talking? So, what is the next question? Question number 4. Where did this conversation यानी बातें, conversation take place? Where did this conversation take place? Young Lord कहाँ मिला था? Kings Highway पे, right? So conversation यानी बातें. ये बातें कहाँ हो रही हैं? So answer. This conversation took place on the King's Highway, right? Highway. This conversation took place on the King's Highway. Now the next question is, why did the speaker want to give something to the old woman? Why did he want to give something to the old woman? Yes. Why did he wanted to give something to the old woman? Yeah, yes. Can you see the board? Is it visible? Answer. See, the young lord was very sad and the bouquet of flowers made him happy. The bouquet flowers made him happy, that is why he wanted to give something, right? To give something. Okay, now what is the question? What does the question tells us? Why did the speaker, what do you mean by speaker? Who is speaking? जो बोल रहा है, want to give something to the old woman. Why did he want to give something? Yes, the bouquet of flowers made him happy because he was very sad. The jeweler had not given him the ring, so he was very sad. But the bouquet of flowers which he received from the old woman made him happy, and that is why he wanted to give something. To whom? To the old woman. Now, what did he give to the old woman? Now the next question is, what did he give to the old woman? What did he give to the old woman? Now what did he give to the old woman? Yes, after taking the bouquet of flowers. Oh, yes, correct. He gave a gold chain from his neck to the old woman. Right. So what did he give to the old woman? Old woman को क्या दिया? He gave a gold chain from his neck. Gold chain from his neck to the old woman. Right? So let's read the questions which are written on the board. Where did this conversation take place? Where did this conversation take place? ये बातें कहाँ हो रही थी? This conversation took place on the King's Highway. Now, where were they talking? Where did the old woman meet the young lord? She met the young lord on the King's Highway, right? So, why did the speaker want to give something to the old woman? Now, the speaker means the person who is talking. बोलने वाला व्यक्ति, right? Now he was very sad and the old woman gave him a bouquet of flowers that made him happy. जब वो खुश हो गया तो उसने बोला कि चलो मैं भी आपको कुछ देता हूँ, right? So the bouquet of flowers made him happy. That is why he wanted to give something to the old woman. Now what did he give? What did he give to the old woman? Answer, he gave a gold chain from his neck to the old woman. What did he give? He gave a gold chain from his neck. Right? Hope the answer is very, very clear. Question and answers of this. Yeah. Now, complete your work in good writing without spelling mistakes and then send your copy to me. Right? The next reference to context is, that is the next line is, if you try long and hard enough, you will always have an apple dumpling for supper, he said. Now the sentence is, if you try long and hard enough, you can always have an apple dumpling for supper, he said. Now the homework for you is, you will find out the answers for these three questions. Be ready with your answers for these 3 questions. And now you have understood how we write the reference to context. It is very clear. So you are going to read the chapter, find out these lines, who is the speaker, why did she say these words, and what is the opposite of hard and always, right? So this is, you are going to do it for homework, and we will do it in our next period. I'll write down the answers, I'll explain you the answers, and you check your answer whether what you have written is correct or wrong. If it is wrong, no problem, you will get to know the correct answer, and you will get to know your own mistake. You have committed a mistake, right? So we end up this lesson for today. Complete your copies, keep your work up to date. Okay, bye.